Ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes riveted to the right for the next maneuver.
तुझे अब ये दिखाना है
I am sure you all were awed by fast-turning performance of Rafale. The aircraft is now positioning for a low-speed flight followed by a minimum radius of turn.
The low-speed flight of the Rafale is possible because of several lift devices which are controlled by the fly-by-wire system. You will notice the aircraft slowly sliding in front of your eyes and then it will execute a minimum radius turn. I will now draw your attention to the left as the Rafale drops its speed to just about 130 knots.
Ladies and gentlemen, the flight at low speed is possible by advanced control laws and the capability of engine.
Notice how beautifully the aircraft is flying at such a low speed.
पाएगा जो लक्ष्य है तेरा लक्ष्य तो
The pilot will thereafter carry out a minimum radius turn with an area just smaller than a hockey field. The next maneuver will be an inverted flight. In this, the pilot will effortlessly fly the aircraft in inverted altitude all along the runway as he sees the August gathering on to his left. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please once again look to your right as she will roll herself into an inverted flight.
हम जाके अपनी मंजिल पर खतरों से हंस के खेलना इतनी तो हमें हिम्मत है
Here you see flying Rafale inverted all along the runway.
The pilot Cats and Chow are literally hanging in their straps while she slices through the sky like a samurai blade.
शोला बनके पत्थर है पिघलाना अब जो भी हो
And having seen Rafale perform a perfect inverted flight, it is now time for the grand finale. The next maneuver is going to be a vertical Charlie right in front of all of you, in which the aircraft would pull up in a steep vertical climb and perform a rapid roll symbolizing the motto of the Indian Air Force, Nabha Sprisham Deeptam, or touch the sky with glory. Do notice the aircraft now pulling up.
मौत की इतनी तो हम में ताकत है
हम सरहदों के पास लोहे की एक दीवार है हम दुश्मनों के वास्ते होशियार है तैयार है अब जो भी हो शोला बनके पत्थर है पिघलाना
अब जो भी हो बादल बनके पर्वत पर है छाना
कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं
As the aerobatic sequence is complete, now the Rafale is turning downwind to land, remaining in your visual bubble all this time.
मौत की इतनी तो हम में ताकत है
हम सरहदों के वास्ते लोहे की एक दीवार है हम दुश्मनों के वास्ते
Ladies and gentlemen, here comes the loyal wingman flown by Group Captain Neeran Jham, or Jammy as we call him, and Wing Commander Arun Kumar as he joins up with his leader for the landing after having dutifully maintained a steady vigil.
पिघलाना
अब जो भी हो बादल बनके पर्वत पर है छाना
कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं सारा जहां देख लिया कभी भी तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं है अस्सी नहीं 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा है नहीं कहे तेरे जैसा जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं गाया जहां भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पा के रुलाती। सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। नाचू गाऊं तेरे प्यार का तराना मैं, चंदा नहीं सूरज नहीं दुनिया की दौलत नहीं, बस लूटूंगा तेरे प्यार का खजाना। एक नजर चाहते होती है प्यार, दुनिया तब तो में चमके दमके महके दे। तेरा चेहरा सूरज जैसा चांद सी ठंड है प्यार में। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
Ladies and gentlemen, having witnessed an amazing display by Rafale aircraft, it is the turn of indigenous mean machine, the nimble fighter of our own, Tejas, to mesmerize you. On behalf of Team Tejas, I proudly present to you the thrilling, ever-scintillating and heart-stopping air display of the indigenous light combat aircraft, Tejas. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, do not sit back and move to the edge of your seats as I request you to witness and enjoy as Group Captain Manish Tolani, nicknamed Tolly, the commanding officer of 18 Squadron D Flying Bullets, takes to the skies with a thunderous roar and makes your heart soar.
हाँ यही रास्ता है तेरा, तूने अब जाना है।
Ladies and gentlemen, as Tolly has started rolling for his first maneuver, that is pull-up takeoff, he's begun his roll in his stead, and here he leaves his tower firma, taking the load of 8 tons strapped on his back with 9 tons of thrust provided by reliable GE404 engine. Humbling the gravity and making his way into the blue skies. The Tejas is now ready for its next maneuver, which is a loop from right to left. Ladies and gentlemen, Tolly has inverted his aircraft and now he's going to position for a loop of a downward roll. You can keep a glance to your right. He'll emerge from your right to left, positioning for the loop. Ladies and gentlemen, look to your right as Tolly appears in our visual bubble for our next maneuver loop.
निकले हैं मैदान में हम जा।
Here he picks up for the loop.
खतरों से हंस के खेलना, इतनी तो हमें हिम्मत है।
मोड़े कलाई मौत की, इतनी तो हमें ताकत है।
हम सरहदों के पास
On his way down, without wasting any extra space, Tolly will position himself for maximum rate turn. As she dives down, she spots a bandit and enters into aerial combat of 1 versus 1, utilizing its maximum rate of turn at a steady rate of 6G. Ladies and gentlemen, the turn speaks volumes about the potential Tejas retains.
हथेली पर लेकर अब देखो दम लेंगे हम जाके अपनी मंजिल पर।
The turn performance is attributed to its aerodynamics and its engine, and not forgetting the high fitness levels of the pilot to withstand such stress on his body. As she socially distances herself from all of us, let me remind you of the decades of effort which has gone into making this program a success. The next maneuver is a negative G turn. Please look front, ladies and gentlemen, as Tolly prepares to push his aircraft into a negative G. Here he commences the turn.
खतरों से हंस के खेलना इतनी तो हमें हिम्मत है।
मोड़े कलाई मौत की इतनी
The negative G turn shows the versatility of the aircraft's fuel system. Let me mention to you, ladies and gentlemen, that this maneuver can only be performed by only a few handful of aircraft of fighter class in the world. The next maneuver in the menu of the treat for your eyes would be a loop from 12 o'clock position of this gathering, in case you missed it for the first time. Ladies and gentlemen, please look ahead as Tolly pulls up into the sky for a loop in front of us.
तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं है, हंसी नहीं सौ दिन दुनिया घुमा है, नहीं कहे तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं गाया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ मुझको तड़पा।
After the loop, the next turn is minimum radius of turn. Watch her go as she executes the turn with a tiny radius of few hundred meters.
तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम, वंदे मातरम।
Ladies and gentlemen, I am sure you would agree with me that this nimble machine can give a stiff competition to the star of the occasion, our Rafale in this regard. Having shown its minimum turning radius, the Tejas will now display its low speed characteristics and the successful flight control laws, which are indigenously developed and mark an important milestone in our aviation industry. Please look to half left 11 o'clock and see as Tejas knocks off its speed and flies at a speed of 120 nautical miles per hour in front of us. Having engaged the afterburners of the powerful G404 engine, the aircraft is rapidly climbing out and positioning for next maneuver of a downward half roll. Ladies and gentlemen, the next maneuver would be a series of high-speed rolls from your right to left and would mark the finale of the Tejas display.
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
Ladies and gentlemen, please look to your right as Tolly dives down to correct maneuver speed and height and prepares for a series of rolls to impress you all. Here she picks up her nose and commences the rolls, ladies and gentlemen. As Tolly prepares to land, let me tell all of you that with the induction of Tejas FOC, the IAF in particular, and Indian aerospace industry as a whole has come a long way in indigenization and self-reliance with enhanced capabilities in terms of envelope expansion, weapon systems, and better avionics. The Tejas can now truly call itself a modern platform, which is now capable of air-to-air refueling as well, and is truly a force multiplier.
तुझे अब ये दिखाना है, रोके तुझको आंधियां
Ladies and gentlemen, please look to your half left 11 o'clock. You will find one Rafale aircraft emerging in the background of the posters. Also, look left 10 o'clock, you will find two crash fire tenders standing by to give a water cannon salute to the Rafale aircraft. A water cannon salute is customary given on the first and the last flight for the aircraft and the waterborne ships.
निकले हैं मैदान में हम जा हथेली पर लेकर, अब देखो दम लेंगे हम जाके अपनी मंजिल पर।
इतनी तो हम हैं।
मोड़े कलाई मौत की इतनी ताकत है।
Check. Bonjour, mesdames et messieurs, and a very delightful morning, ladies and gentlemen. We take this immense honor to welcome the distinguished chief guests, delegates from Government of France, along with all the august gathering present here this morning. Today is the day which will be etched as the beginning of a new era in our military history. With the advent of inducting the Rafale combat aircraft in 17th Squadron of this very base is the testimony of rapid acceleration in Indian Air Force's lethal air power capabilities. On 30th of July this year, it created its yet another hallmark with the touchdown of first 5 Rafale aircraft. And today's display is our way of extending the deep appreciation towards the ever-building Indo-French relations and definitely to the indomitable spirit of the air warriors.